Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off restricted mode on TikTok without your password. Alright, first of all, let's head on to the Talk app over here and then, for instance, that you actually forgot your password and then you can turn off restricted mode. What do? Well, we could actually take contact to the TikTok and, we could actually contact the TikTok developers and then have them, or rather the TikTok customer service, and then have them take off the restricted node for us without our password. To do that, let's head on over to our profile. Once we're over here, head over to the upper right corner of the screen, and then click on the Settings and Privacy. Alright, once you're here, head on over to the very bottom of your screen, and then head on over to Support, and then click on Report a Problem. Alright, once you're over here on Report a Problem, head on over to Suggestions as well, on the bottom part of your screen. Alright, once you're here, head on over to Is Your Problem Resolved? Hit on No, and then click on Need More Help? Once you're here, you could freely say your problem to them. For example, let's do, Hi, I need help. Please remove restricted mode. I forgot my password. Alright. Once you've added your message, you could add some photo proof over here. I won't add it for this video, but you could do it for yourself and then click on Report. Right. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.